Hello, students. Welcome to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. If you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. We'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening. They're both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. This video is part of a series of lessons, so if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it's a great way to review what you've already covered in class. Whether we're working together one-on-one, in a group, or you're studying with one of my teachers, these presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and make it stick. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence. So stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. Today's lesson is on the present perfect with ever and never. In today's lessons, we're going to focus on the present perfect tense and how we use ever and never. So the present perfect is great for talking about experiences, things we have or haven't done at any time up until now. And that's where ever and never come in. Ever is used in questions to ask if someone has had a certain experience at any time in their life. For example, have you ever traveled to Japan? Never is used in negative sentences to talk about things we haven't done, not even once. For example, I have never ridden a horse. We'll go step by step with examples and exercises. So by the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly how to use ever and never correctly in conversation. Let's get started. So here are the 12 tenses. And I just want to show you, this is where we are. We're in the present perfect here. Okay. We're in the present. And again, this is one of the most important tenses in English, and maybe it's the most important one if you want to bring your level up. And don't forget to get a pen and a pencil and a notebook to take down some notes. In today's lesson, we're going to be focusing on ever and never, which are over here. And I want you to think of them as experiences, okay? When we talk about ever and never, it's always referring to your experiences, and we'll get into it right now. Okay, we have arrived to our exercise. Congratulations. If you want to do more exercises in practice, you can check out the topic under ever and never at davidenglish.info. And here you're going to see this is a little bit of a mix activity. You will see some ever and never, but you will see other keywords that are important to know for present perfect, and I'll point them out to you. So let's get started and complete the sentences. You can get your pen or notebook, and let's do this together. You can write down your answers in your notebook, stop the video, then replay the video and check your answers. Let's do this together. Number 1, we have the word ever in the sentence, and it says bungee jumping until now in the back of my head. Remember, the word until now is always in the back of my head because we're talking about your experiences in your life. So we want to say, have you ever tried bungee jumping? I'm asking again, have you ever tried bungee jumping in your life until now? About your experience. Number 2, she never see a dolphin in real life. Again, in the back of my head, it's until now. Okay? And we want to say, she has never seen a dolphin in real life. Remember, see, saw, Seen. We're using the third verb for an irregular verb. Now we're looking at the sentence. We have number 3. They just finish their project. Now, we don't have the word ever and never, but we have the word just, which is a key word. And it doesn't matter when this thing finished. It doesn't say when it finished, so we know it's not past simple. So you want to say, they have just finished their project. They have just finished their project until now, in the back of my head. Doesn't matter when, but it's still relevant to the present. Number 4, I not visit my grandparents this month. In the back of my head, it's until now, until now, until now. I have not visited my grandparents this month. So this month until now, I haven't visited my grandparents this month. This is an expectation. We want to visit them, but it hasn't happened yet. Number 5, we already watched that movie twice. Here's another key word, already. Remember, we did it in one of the other lessons. Already, and we want to talk about how many times we have seen this movie until now. So we're going to say, we have already watched that movie twice until now. Maybe it's until now in our life, until now this year, but until now, okay? Number 6, ever traveled to Japan. Oh, we have the word ever. Complete the sentence, guys. And it's about he, and it's a question. And we have a regular word, travel. Has he ever traveled to Japan? Has he ever traveled to Japan? Very good. 7, my parents live in the city for 10 years. Oh, it looks like we have the word for, which is the key word in the present perfect. We don't have ever and never, but my parents live in this city for 10 years until now. Until now. It's not about the past. Yes, you can say in past simple and finish it, but we're going to be using present perfect here. My parents have lived in the city for 10 years until now. Until now. Number 8, the students not complete their assignments yet. So in this case, the students until now, what do you think? Not complete their assignments yet. Yet is a key word in the present perfect as well, just like ever and never. And you want to say the students have not completed their assignments yet. They expect to do this. Number 9, he won 3 gold medals in his career. Now this is until now. This is about his accomplishments. It's repeated action. He has won 3 gold medals in his career. Very good, everybody. And number 10, oh, we have the word ever. We know it's present perfect here. Mexican food is about an experience until now. Have you, what do you think, guys? Have you what? Have you ever eaten Mexican food? That's the answer. And let's do a couple more exercises. Okay. Now we're going to get into forming a question using have you ever. This is very important when you're doing small talk with somebody and you want to ask them, have you ever? Have you ever tried sushi? Have you ever been to New York? Questions like this. Let's go. Number 11. We have the word travel to Europe. What do you think the question is? Write it down in your notebook. Okay. It's have you ever traveled to Europe? Number 12, go skydiving. Write down, what do you think the answer is? It's a question directed to somebody that you're just meeting. It's a small talk. We're saying, have you ever gone skydiving? Have you ever gone skydiving? Number 13, see a live concert. Again, it's another have you ever question. Write it down in your notebook. What do you think the answer is? Have you ever seen a live concert? You're doing great. Let's go to number 14. Try bungee jumping. This is a review. We did it before. What do you think? Write it down in your notebook. Okay, what's the question? Have you ever tried bungee jumping? You're doing great. Number 15, visit a historical site. Again, we're talking about your experience until now. We want to know if it has happened or not until now in your life. Have you ever visited a historical site? If you have, let me know down in the comments. I would love to know it. I like history a little bit. Okay, let's do number 16. We have the word swim, which is an irregular verb. Write down your answer. What do you think it is? And let's go. Have you ever swum with dolphins? I want to know about this if it has ever happened in your life. Have you ever swum with dolphins? I have before. 17, attend a film festival. What do you think the answer is? What's the question? Have you ever attended a film festival in your life until now? This is again about your experience. Number 18, cook a meal from scratch. From scratch means that you made it up out of nowhere. You didn't even know the recipe, you just did it. So, what's the question? Can you formulate the question? Have you ever cooked a meal from scratch? 19, take a hot air balloon ride. Now, what do you think the question is? Write it down in your notebooks. Take is an irregular verb. Have you ever taken a hot air balloon ride in your life until now? 20, we have the word volunteer for a charity. Volunteer is a regular verb. So what do you think the question is here? It's have you ever volunteered for a charity? Very good. I actually have never volunteered for a charity. If you always want to practice this with someone, with a partner, you can always say this. Ask questions starting with have you ever, and mention things you have never done until now in your life. Okay? For example, I have never been to Japan. I would like to go. I have never skydived. What about you? Have you ever skydived? Have you ever been to Japan? Let me know in the comments. Again, guys, please subscribe to the channel if you can. I forgot to ask you earlier. And again, you can check out more exercises at davidenglish.info. Right now, I'm going to read off the answers to you, and you can listen and repeat after me if you would like. Let's start. Here we go. Number 1, have you ever tried bungee jumping? Number 2, she has never seen a dolphin in her real life. Number 3, they have just finished their project. Number 4, I have not visited my grandparents this month. Number 5, we have already watched this movie twice. Number 6, has he ever traveled to Japan? Number 7, my parents have lived in the city for 10 years. Number 8, the students have not completed their assignments yet. Number 9, he has won 3 gold medals in his career. Number 10, have you ever eaten Mexican food? All the have you ever questions. Here we go. And answer them in the comments if you want. Number 11, have you ever traveled to Europe? 12, have you ever gone skydiving? 13, have you ever seen a live concert? 14, have you ever tried bungee jumping? 15, have you ever visited a historical site? 16, have you ever swum with dolphins? 17, have you ever attended a film festival? 18, have you ever cooked a meal from scratch? 19, have you ever taken a hot air balloon ride? 20, have you ever volunteered for a charity? Again, everyone, this stuff is related to experiences in your life up until now. Remember the word up until now about your experiences until now in your life. Thank you, everybody, for visiting the David English Academy. I hope to see you on my website at davidenglish.info. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts. And until then, have a great day.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.